Okay, today we will be differentiating the difference between parallelogram versus a trapezoid. Okay, when does a four-sided polygon becomes a parallelogram and when it will be treated as a trapezoid. Okay, in our textbook, we know that the area of the square is base times height. Okay, one side times the other side. Now, when we say parallelogram, it means that you have two pairs of parallel sides. Okay. If you have two pairs of parallel sides, it is a parallelogram. Okay, and the area is A times B, which is just like the area absorbing a rectangle or a square. However, if you have only one pair as parallel, okay, this is not a parallelogram. It becomes a trapezoid, okay? Because a definition of a trapezoid is you have two parallel sides. And to get the area, in the common textbook that most of students are memorizing, okay, they will tell you that the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 A plus B times H. And if you will ask them, show me the figure, more likely they will draw a figure similar to this. Okay. And they will tell you that this could be A, this could be B, and this height is your H. Now, in your everyday life, the shape of a trapezoid is not always a perfect drawing like this. It could be something like this. Okay? Or it could be like this. Or this one. Okay. So, figure 1, 2, and 3, these will all satisfy the definition of a trapezoid because a trapezoid has two parallel sides. And to solve the area of a trapezoid, it is the average of two parallel sides multiplied by the perpendicular distance between them. Okay. So many students are just memorizing A equals 1/2 A plus B times H. But you need to understand that by definition, okay, this expression actually translate to the average of two parallel sides. And this H actually translate to the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. Okay? So most students, if they were given a figure similar to this, let's assign some number. So if this is 8, this is 10, okay, we need this perpendicular distance. These are two parallel sides. These are not parallel, so that satisfies the definition of a trapezoid. And say, let's have an arbitrary number 3. Okay, so you will say that area 1 will be the average of two parallel sides. The average is, you sum it, 8 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by the perpendicular distance between them. Okay. So you have this. That's 8 plus 10 is 18 divided by 2 is 9 times 3 is 27 units square. Okay. So figure 2, is it a trapezoid? Yes, it is. If we say these are two parallel sides and say the number here is, let's say 5, this is 7, and we need this perpendicular distance. If we say this is 6, so the area will be the average of two parallel sides, which is 5 plus 7, you divided by 2, taking their average, multiplied by 6. So area 2 will be 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6, times 6 is 36 units square. Okay. Okay, figure 3. If these two sides are parallel, it is a trapezoid. And let's say this is 7, this is 9, and this perpendicular distance is, say this is 4. So area 3 will be 7 plus 9, take their average divided by 2 times 4. So area 3 will be 7 plus 9 is 16, divided by 2 is 8, times 4 is 32. That gives you 32 square units. Okay. So don't be confused by how it is drawn. A trapezoid is not always a perfect figure like what you've seen in many textbooks like this. Okay. It is a four-sided polygon whose two sides are parallel. Okay. If it is a four-sided and you have four sides parallel, it become a parallelogram. So that it's for now, and next time we'll be solving on volumes of solid figures. See you. Thank you.